This is the 16th slide of inverse trigonometric functions. We have done up to number 7. Number 8. If sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z is equal to pi, so that x into root over of 1 minus x square plus y into root over of 1 minus y square plus z into root over of 1 minus z square is equal to 2xyz. Solution. Given sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z is equal to pi, let sin inverse x is equal to a, sin inverse y is equal to b, sin inverse z is equal to c. Therefore, we have x is equal to sin a, y is equal to sin b, z is equal to sin c. Then your sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z is equal to pi implies a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Then LHS, x into root over of 1 minus x square plus y into root over of 1 minus y square plus z into root over of 1 minus z square is equal to, in place of x we are writing sin a into root over of 1 minus sin square a. In place of y, sin b into root over of 1 minus sin square b plus sin c into root over of 1 minus sin square c. That is equal to sin a into cos a, because 1 minus sin square a cos square a root over is cos a, plus sin b into cos b plus sin c into cos c. Then multiply 2 in numerator and also 2 in denominator. Then we have half into 2 sin a into cos a plus half into 2 sin b into cos b plus sin c cos c as it is. That is equal to half into sin 2a, 2 sin a into cos a sin 2a, 2 sin b into cos b sin 2b plus sin c into cos c. You know the formula, sin c plus sin d is your 2 sin 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos 2a minus 2b by 2 plus sin c into cos c. Then have to cancel, sin here 2a plus 2b by 2 is a plus b cos a minus b plus sin c into cos c. You know a plus b plus c is pi, so a plus b will be pi minus c sin pi minus c into cos a minus b plus sin c into cos c. You know the sin pi minus c is equal to sin c. Sin pi minus c is equal to sin c. So this is your sin c cos a minus b plus sin c into cos c. Then taking sin c common, we have cos a minus b plus cos c. Then that is equal to sin c into cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, because your cos a plus b is equal to cos pi minus c, that is minus cos c. So cos c is minus cos a plus b. In place of cos c, we are writing cos a plus b. Then that is equal to sin c into here cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. You know the formula, that is 2 sin a into sin b. So all total 2 sin a, sin b, sin c. In place of sin a, you can write x, sin b y, sin c z. So 2xyz is equal to RHS proved. Then IV, number 8 IV. If r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, prove that tan inverse yz by xr plus tan inverse zx by yr plus tan inverse xy by zr is equal to pi by 2 LHS. Here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z formula, you know tan inverse x plus y plus z minus x y z by 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx. Then on simplification, tan inverse, your LCM is in the numerator, the LCM will be x y z r cube. So here yz x r cancel, we have yz into r square. So we have r square whole into your y square z square. Here that is yz, this is zx, and this is xy. Again multiply zx by zx, that is your zx square x square, here x square y square. So taking r square common, we have y square z square plus z square x square plus x square y square minus, here this is repeated twice, yz zx xy is x square y square z square. Then the denominator, the LCM will be your xyz r square. So it is xyz r square multiply with 1, that is xyz r square minus, from this we have xyz taking common, this will be xyz cube. Taking your xyz common in all the terms, we have z square plus y square plus x square by xyz r square. So we have tan inverse, denominator will be your 0, that is tan inverse infinitive, that is tan inverse tan pi by 2 is equal to pi by 2 RHS, proved.